Hello everyone and welcome. I just wanted to take a moment and introduce myself and welcome you to the channel. I'm Tatum and this is Tatum Marie Yoga. So you're probably here because you're a beginner or you want to start yoga or you don't know where to start or you're just kind of curious to see if yoga is a good thing for you. So I'm here to help you decide or practice or just get a feel for what yoga is and take a little bit of mystery out of it, especially with social media today. Yoga isn't all about headstands, and I want to show you that yoga is for everyone and everybody, and it is accessible for people like you and me. So just a quick background, my name is Tatum. People also call me Tate, and I love teaching yoga, and I especially love teaching yoga to beginners. I believe that it's so important for us to build a foundation from the ground up to know that we're supported and that we are able to cultivate a sustainable practice. So I'm here to help you cultivate that sustainable practice. I also just love the feeling that yoga gives me and also the community surrounding it. So I grew up in Southern California, and then about 3 years ago now, I moved to Washington, and I didn't know anybody. And through yoga, I got a community. I was in a community immediately almost of so many loving people that just scooped me up, picked me up off my feet, and brought me along on their journey and integrated so much compassion and really showed me that you can make beautiful connections through yoga. And now fast forward 30 years later almost, well now I am in Germany, and yoga has also given me a community here. I've met so many wonderful people all over the world, and I really do cherish what yoga has brought to my life, and I want to show you that yoga can do that for you as well. It can support you on the mat and both off the mat. So my goal here for you is to help you create a sustainable and authentic practice both on and off the mat, and show you that yoga is accessible, it is for everyone and everybody. I'll help you mold poses so they feel good, help you fit your body. Not every pose is going to look the same. It's different and unique, just like our journey through yoga and our journey through life even. So with that, weekly videos will be out every week with new flows, tips, tricks, whatever you want to call them, to use on and off your mat. Just an example, if you're in the grocery store and things are getting crazy, especially right now with things in the world, can turn into your breath if you need to calm down, refocus, and reground. But you can also use that while you're on the mat, breathing through a difficult pose. You can breathe through these difficult times. You can begin to build your toolbox both on the mat to use those tools and then off the mat to use them in your life in a practical way. So remember to like and subscribe. Always leave me a comment. You can message me. You can connect on Facebook or Instagram. I'm always happy to talk, and I'm always here for you. In addition, I do have a few surprises and a challenge coming up, so please remember to like and subscribe to stay up to date. With that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Namaste.